everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now as you can understand from the looks of it, in this video I will be telling you how you can create this super glamorous, glossy, wet, no makeup look. I was toying with this idea and then I just happened to come across this post by Kiara Advani in which she was wearing a similar look, and I thought that okay, now I have to do it because it looks so flattering. I think majority of the Bollywood actresses today, especially the younger generation, they prefer wearing it because it is so flattering and so millennial. I thought that I'll just come over here and decode this entire look for you. So if you learn how to do it, you will actually nail the no makeup look of a lot of Bollywood actresses, and I'm sure you're gonna have a great time learning this makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now to get that no makeup look, skincare is of utmost importance because you're not gonna have a lot of colors to hide any imperfections.
So I'll quickly take you through my two-step skincare routine that I did. So I exfoliated my skin really well. This will help in evening out the texture so that the makeup application can be very smooth. And after that, I applied this face oil because a well moisturized face is the best base that you would need for any makeup that there is. And of course, never forget moisturizing your lips before the makeup.
So we are done with the skincare and now we quickly hop on to the base. Now the first and the most important step is to conceal your all the pigmentation or whatever problematic area is there on your face. I am using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer because I love it.
Now in these makeup looks, having good coverage is very important, and therefore the role of concealer is of utmost importance. And as you can see, I'm just concealing my entire face because the foundation that you use cannot be very heavy, and therefore concealer plays a very important role. And after I've applied the concealer, I'm just going to blend it really well because again, you have to apply the layers, but you have to apply it in a way that it doesn't reflect.
So now we are done concealing and it's time to create the perfect foundation for your face, and for that I will be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. The reason why I'm using this is because it is super blendable and it is super light on the skin. Like for a no makeup look in drugstore collection, I don't think I can recommend you a better foundation than this one. I'm just going to take like one good pump of it on the back of my hand. Then I'll be taking like one teeny drop of this oil because again we are after the glow. So one dot of oil would work really well, and also I have dry skin, so it will just kind of benefit a lot. And now my most special ingredient for this foundation is going to be this MAC Stroke Cream. The shade that I'm using is Pinky Light. I will be mentioning all the products with the links in the description box below. So I'll be taking like a small dot of it. Just mix everything really well, like really well. And the reason why we use this portion is because the heat of the hands also makes sure that the foundation doesn't get dry. Yeah, it doesn't get dry. So once I am happy with the mixture, I'll just start applying it. Now the first round of blending is going to be my hands only because our hands have a lot of heat.
And I'll be using my hands to blend the foundation on the entire frame that's visible on my neck, on my ears, and everything included. And then I'll be taking my MAC Prep and Prime and spraying it generously all over my face. And then I'll take a beauty blender and tap it on my entire face to make sure that the foundation is evenly blended and there is no finger mark anywhere. And with that step, our base will be complete. And then we'll move on to the contour and the blush. So you can see in this look, there's a very little amount of blush and contour. So keeping up with the same spirit, I'll be using the Huda contour bronzer and I'll just lightly use it on the places. I'm not going to use any cream contour because I don't want any stark 3D effect on my face. So just going to slightly contour my face quickly. Now after my contour is done, I'm going over with this apricot color blush from Wet n Wild. It is a very natural looking blush, slightly on the peach tone, and it takes a little time to build up, but once it is done it looks very natural and beautiful at the same time. Now I'll go over with the beauty blender. This step will actually erase any line of separation if there between the blush and the contour. Now we'll be doing the eyebrows. Now eyebrows in this look are pretty bold, so I'll be filling in my eyebrows using the Nykaa brow pencil really well. It is an angular pencil, so it helps me in creating the right kind of hair replications, and you just have to fill in your eyebrows really well. After I've filled in my both eyebrows, I'll be going over with an eyebrow mascara. So this is just going to blend in any color that there is, and it will also make sure that the eyebrow hair doesn't move. And now comes the cleanup dry. I will be taking my concealer Fit Me. You can take whatever you're using, and we'll be creating a border like this below and above the eyebrow. When you apply it, it looks really funny and really stark, but once you apply it and then you blend it, it makes your eyebrow very clean. So this is a very important step if you want to have a clearly defined eyebrow.
So now our eyebrows are done, and we hop on to the eye makeup. It's a really goldy eyelid kind of an eye makeup. So I am using my Maybelline remastered, and from this I'll be using this shade Nude Dust. Right. What I'll be doing is that first of all I'll just take this color on a brush, any random brush, and apply it all over my eyelids. Right. So this in itself is a very glossy color. So you're just going to apply it, right? And to settle it down a little, you just roughly after this, we want to create a very, light, a blackish eyeshadow look just on the place where we apply the eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'll be taking this small bullet brush from PAC. This is PAC 202, and probably this is one brush that I use the most, And taking this color, Black Truthful, watch it closely. Although it is quite shiny, but it is not that glossy. So for that, what I'll be doing is that I will scrape a little bit of this color, the Moon Dust, from the back of this brush. Like very little, you don't want much. Okay. Then I'll be taking this PAC Duo Fold Gel and one time. Just one. My major focus is going to be the eyeball. So this portion of the makeup is complete, and now I'll be using this Nude kajal.
This kajal will have a dual purpose. Number one, it will make my eyes look bigger, and secondly, it will make it look a lot more awake. curl those lashes. In the no makeup look, wearing a falsie looks very artificial, and even Kiara is not wearing a set of falsies. So what we have to do is we have to curl these lashes and get our oomph on. So I'll be curling them not once but twice, and after that I'll go over with my all-time favorite Benefit roller lash mascara, because it just gives that length and that volume to your lashes that you really don't need the feel of applying a false eyelash.
Now once again, I'll be taking this primer and now quickly taking this fan brush and the Nykaa highlighter. This is a glowy goddess makeup look, so you can just go crazy with the highlighter.
And now it's time to apply the lipstick to finish the whole look. I'll be outlining my lips using the Nykaa lip liner in the shade Birthday Suit. Now, mostly with no makeup looks, you will see people carrying very neutral, muted lips, and the same goes with Kiara also. So, the reason why I'm going to outline my lips is because it gives them a real definition, and this is a really nice peach-based lip liner that I have. Now over that, I'll be going over with this Maybelline liquid matte lipstick in the shade Barely Nude. Now I am not a fan of this color, but this was the closest substitute I had for what Kiara is wearing in the look.
So after you've applied the lipstick, you just have to apply any transparent gloss that you have with you. I don't have any gloss with me right now. Yes, that's true. I'm not a glossy lipstick person, so I don't have a collection of glosses. So what I'm going to do is I will be once again taking the same oil and right. With this step, our makeup is complete. It's over. We are happy. Now I'll just quickly do my hair and I'll come here to show you the final result. So guys, this is the final look with my hairdo, and yeah, absolutely loved creating this look. And as I just said in the beginning, that Kiara and Advani'S look was just an excuse. I see most of the Bollywood actresses spotting this kind of no makeup glossy look, and I think it is completely flattering because it just looks so impressive, but it also looks so effortless and so chic at the same time. So yes, I absolutely love this look and I love how it has turned out. So yeah, I would really be happy if you would try it, and whatever your feedback is, just share it with me in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell because you don't want to miss any video from my side. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.